We're here at RSMA, so we're here to talk all things road marking. We're meeting lots of our current customers and lots of other businesses. It's a great day, going to be loads of interesting talks to attend about road marking and our field management software.
Our annual conference allows us to bring all of our members together in one place to talk about some of the challenges that are affecting them, but also to network and to engage with other members that they might not see on a regular basis. When we pull the agenda together, we try and pull a varied agenda together so that there is something for everybody. Digitalisation has really been heart and centre of our conference this year. What we wanted to try and do in a very simple and practical way was to demystify digitalisation. So for those people that are just starting on their journey, what does it look like and how do they take those steps?
My name is Russell Smorridge and I am the Sales Director for Meon. We've been on a journey to doing a presentation today. It's about transforming road marking for good. Many people interested in what's happening, interested in moving forward in the technology, and we're here to share where we see the future in road marking within the UK. Meon as a business, we've been working with Reflow now for well over a year. Introducing the software has been a game changer for us, and mostly I would say is because it's very adaptable, so we can craft it to meet our specific needs.
I'm Rob Ellsby, I'm WJ Group Marketing Manager. WJ are the UK's leading road marketing and highway safety business. The RSMA is really important to WJ. It's a chance for us to see connections that we already have, make new ones. It's our industry body for our road marking works as well, so it's really important for us to engage with them. Working with Reflow has been really beneficial to us as a business. It's helping us work more efficiently, understand our workflows, helping us organise our works better, and overall integrating it within our operations has been really beneficial.
Fantastic to see so many people here. We've had record numbers and long may that continue, and we hope to be even bigger and better next year.